Hello friends, in this episode I want to present an extremely useful product for users of older cars that don't have CarPlay or Android Auto, and especially for cars like this one which doesn't even have Bluetooth audio. All your car needs is a radio unit, and with CarPod Go you'll be able to listen to your favorite music on YouTube Music or Spotify, and you'll also have access to Waze or Google Maps. It's a very versatile product that can be installed on any type of vehicle very quickly, and it even comes with a reversing camera. Let me give you all the details you need. You can purchase this product on Amazon for around $200, and if you watch the full review, you'll see it's worth every cent. Let's start with a quick unboxing. First, you got the cables for the reversing camera. I believe they're about 5 meters long. A suction cup mount for either the windshield or the dashboard depending on your preference. A Bluetooth receiver to transmit audio through the car's aux port. I'll show you in a moment how I installed mine. A power stabilizer filter for the reversing camera in case you experience interruptions. I had to use it, but installation was very simple. You can find tutorials online or just leave me a comment and I'll guide you through it. The reversing camera itself with the power cable and mounting accessories. I mounted mine on the tailgate above the license plate. Of course, the portable display, which runs at 60 frames per second, the only one on the market this fast, with a 9-inch diagonal and a resolution of 1920 by 720, I think is the perfect size, large enough for navigation apps, but not so big that it stands out too much. On the back it has a very strong magnetic mount, and on the side you'll find all the ports. The 12-volt Type-C power port, an audio port if you want to connect directly to the aux, the reversing camera port, and the OTG cable port if you want to do a software update later on. A very useful multi-language instruction manual. The power cable with a car cigarette lighter adapter. It has an on-off switch to turn off the screen when needed, plus a USB port, very handy if you want to charge another device. At the opposite end, there's the USB-C adapter that plugs into the screen, a round adhesive mount, the OTG cable for software updates, and 2 more display mounts. All these accessories make it possible to mount this display on virtually any dashboard. To get ideal filming conditions and avoid reflections, I'll first do a short presentation indoors. I've prepared a phone running Android and a standard charging cable to power the display. Let's first see in real time how fast it starts up from the moment you turn on the ignition. As you can see, this is the actual startup time. It took 5 seconds for the device to become fully operational. Let's go through the display's very simple menu because all of these icons lead to the same menu. You can of course set the language and the time. Under the display settings, you can set the time for automatic brightness adjustment for night mode. Then you can adjust the brightness manually. You can change the wallpaper. And you can even set the startup logo. I'll select Mercedes from now on, but there are plenty of other logos to choose from. Here we have the volume control. As you can see, the display's touch is very fast and smooth. In the audio output settings, you can choose how the sound is played. I will use the FM frequency option for the Mercedes because I think it offers the best sound quality. I left Bluetooth for last because here you can see the name of the Bluetooth signal broadcast by the display, which will allow us to activate Android Auto or CarPlay. On my phone, I turn on Bluetooth and pair my phone with PND14E5. Once the two devices are paired, you just have to turn on Bluetooth. And Android Auto is already starting up. I have to say that was pretty fast. Yes, Waze runs quite smoothly. We'll also test the rest of the functions in the car. Now let's connect CarPlay. OK. Connecting to the same Bluetooth with my iPhone. Pair. Allow. Connect. And CarPlay is activating. What? That was super fast, way faster than Android Auto. Let's see how this thing looks and works on the car. This is how the display looks with the suction cup mount attached to the windshield, but since I enjoy DIY projects and I want the display to stay in the car permanently, I'll change its position so it looks factory installed. I managed to route the power cable and the camera cable into this area in front of the original car's display. This one here is from the reversing camera, and this is the 12-volt power cable. The power cable runs inside the dashboard to the right side, then into the glove compartment, where I have another cigarette lighter socket. And since the aux port is right there as well, I could even use the Bluetooth receiver if I wanted to. But as I mentioned earlier, I prefer using the FM frequency option for better sound clarity. The reversing camera is powered from the reverse light, and I mounted it right above the license plate. I think everything looks very clean. Let's see how it all works. I turn on the ignition, and the display powers on immediately. In the audio output settings, I've set my preferred frequency. Try to find one that isn't used by other radio stations so you get a clear signal. I saved that frequency to position 9 on the original radio. Now I'll connect CarPlay. The display responds very quickly. I no longer need to touch my phone. Let's explore some of the available apps. I'm not sure if it's easy to see on camera, but the screen resolution is excellent. The sound quality is also very good. Let's open Waze. I'll also test the reversing camera. It's the first time of today. You are the strength, you're all I need. Everything works perfectly. You are from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Siri works as well if you like using it. As a final review, this product exceeded my expectations. The display has great resolution, apps run very quickly, and most importantly, I haven't lost any of the functions of the original radio unit. I've made a big upgrade to my car. Now I can listen to the music I love and use navigation apps without relying on my phone. I also didn't have parking sensors, so adding a reversing camera was exactly what I needed. The price is fair, and if you like this product too, click the link in the description and don't hesitate to buy one. I guarantee you'll be fully satisfied. I hope this review was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to tap the like and subscribe buttons. It's completely free. Until the next video, I wish you all the best. Goodbye.